Okay, so open a new document. For the one I'm going to go over today with nameplate design, I'm going to need to change the page layout because it's going to be horizontal or landscape instead of portrait. Then most of the time I like to go ahead and set my margins to narrow. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to Insert, and you're going to find under Pictures, you're going to look for your file that you've saved to your computer, wherever you might have saved it, to Dr. Seuss, and I'm going to choose a nameplate set and simply insert that. So then we can see where it is on the page. Now, some of these files that I've created anyways already have a border or margin on them, so sometimes that can be a little bit of a problem because it's going to chop away at the design. I mean, you're still seeing it all there, however, it's smaller than what it was really designed to be. So one fix for this is we can actually crop this image. So we'll select crop over here up at the top right, and I'm going to crop it down right down to the edge of the design so I don't have that big white border. Really, it's like a 1/2 inch border all around. So scroll down and let's fix that. Okay, then we go ahead and click crop. It'll crop that away. Then we can resize it a little. So grab the corner of the image to drag it out. Make sure it's staying proportionate on all sides so you're not skewing anything. Okay, so now we want to be able, our main objective today was to be able to add text to these so that you can personalize and customize these for your own parties, events, whatever. So one way you can do it is to go to Insert, again, up at the top, same place where you went for your pictures. So you're looking at the tabs across the top here. You can do word art. So look over here to the right side. You can do word art or you can do a text box. Sometimes, you know, they're a little fancier looking. They'll have drop shadows and stuff already built in for you to quickly add. If you do word art, you can also choose different colors. So you can totally pick that right here over on the right and decide what works best for you. So I'll just pick this one for now. Then you can also decide what font style you want. So let's just make this do Sarah Davis. Okay, so if this is a nameplate, say to go on their desk or on something, that's definitely, we want it bigger than that. And maybe we want to change the font style, so you can change the font style here. You can look around, probably if it's for a nameplate really, because the kiddos, you know, they use it to compare to whenever they're writing. Which I have to admit, since I have a kindergartner, I've realized some fonts really confuse them. So even though I do not like Comic Sans, it is easier for them, especially with the A, because it's actually written as they would write an A. So you can go up here. The other thing is, a lot of times on these drop downs, the largest it goes to is 72, but you can always go in and override that by typing. And that's just a hair too big. We'll take it down to 90. Okay, so you can adjust that. And I like the word art because it's a little easier to move around the box and to resituate. So that's one way to quickly add what you want to your printable designs that you've downloaded from my Etsy shop or from ShyDesign.com. Either place. Make sure you save and then you can set it up to print. Of course, you can repeat the same steps down here. Quickly to add, I would copy this, so I just did a right click on my mouse. So I can copy it and right click again and I can paste. And then of course move that one down here and change out the name or whatever you need to do on that. So you can highlight and type it. You can change up the colors, you can change the font style. You don't have to have the drop shadow. A lot of different formatting you could quickly do in Word, in Microsoft Word, with those images. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, feel free to share it on Facebook, Twitter, or other social media networks, and pin it to your Pinterest if you need to come back to it for later. If you're looking for other printable designs or other tutorials, check out ShyDesign.com. This will be part of a series called DIY Printables, with different areas where you can create your own, whether you have other people's templates to work from or you're starting totally from scratch. Again, I'm Cheyenne with ShyByDesign.com. Have a great day.